Did you know? Now all your financial transaction details will be available in one place. Yes, the Income Tax Department has introduced the new Annual Information Statement or AIS. In this video, we will learn what AIS is, how to use it, and what are its benefits. What is AIS? AIS stands for Annual Information Statement. It is a detailed statement that consolidates all your financial transaction information. It includes your TDS, TCS, bank interest, share transactions, mutual fund investments, foreign transactions, and much more. Earlier, Form 26AS only contained TDS, TCS information, but now AIS provides detailed information on all your financial transactions. How to view AIS? Follow these steps to view AIS. Log in to www.incometax.gov.in. Go to the Services tab and click on Annual Information Statement. Click the Proceed button. Here you can see the Taxpayer Information Summary and Annual Information Statement. Select the financial year you want and click on the relevant tile to view information. You can also download this information in PDF, JSON, or CSV format. What is the password to open AIS PDF? If you have downloaded the AIS PDF, it will be password protected. The password is your PAN in lowercase plus your date of birth in date, month, year format. For example, if PAN is AA, 1234A, and date of birth is 28th July 1997, then the password will be AA 1234A 28071997. What to do if there is an error in AIS? Sometimes there may be incorrect information in AIS, such as duplicate entries or other errors. In such cases, you can click on the incorrect information, go to Optional, and provide feedback. Based on your feedback, the Taxpayer Information Summary gets updated and the correct information is pre-filled in your ITR. How to use the AIS app? You can also use the AIS app, which is available on both Android and iOS. Through this app, you can easily view your AIS and TIS information, provide feedback, and download the necessary information. Benefits of AIS: all financial information is available in one place. Errors while filing ITR reduce. You can correct wrong information by giving feedback. Communication with the tax department becomes easier. AIS is an important tool in your tax filing process. Using it, you can better manage your financial information. So check your AIS today and improve your tax filing experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.